Hi, I'm at Valencia Harbor in Fort Myers, checking out our most popular floor plan, the Exuma. It's a 2-bedroom plus den, 2-car garage home offering over 1,800 square feet. Checking out some of the highlights in our Exuma floor plan here at Valencia Harbor in Fort Myers. Our customers love the open concept floor plan that the Exuma offers. Living and dining connected. The Exuma offers lots of natural light with our 8-foot sliders leading out to the expansive outdoor living space. Check out our several pool designs offered with all floor plans. The Exuma offers an oversized primary suite with dual walk-in closets, the luxurious primary bath. Another great feature of the Exuma is the home office or den. Thanks for checking out the Exuma here on site at Valencia Harbor in Fort Myers. We're open daily 9 to 5 and would love to meet you. We've got 9 decorated models to check out together.